Just taking a super quick look at XRP then, as we can see, looking like we are forming that W double bottom pattern. Obviously Bitcoin having a really nice bounce off of its lows and a full reversal of that move down below its range over the past few days. You can see obviously XRP basically just following the market with that huge move to the downside, with bounce, retest, and then another bounce here, and really, as I said, forming that W double bottom pattern. I'd probably expect a full retrace, with Bitcoin looking really bullish now, heading up towards that 61 cent level up here. I do think that will probably be the case. Obviously we've got the 100 moving average to contend with as well, which we have lost as support here. You can see it was recently used as support. Now we need to test this as resistance, along with that 0.38 Fibonacci at 62 cents. But right now XRP, as always, continuing to coil and basically rotate to the side, waiting for that SEC case to be resolved. I do think this is going to be an absolute moon project once that does get resolved, because of all that pent up demand that's probably waiting in the wings for XRP. But right now, as we can see, really not much happening apart from this huge coiling, continuous coiling motion that we've seen pretty much for the past 4 or 5 years. Really, you can see up, down, up, down, up, down, but really waiting for that big parabolic move for XRP, which will probably come pretty damn soon in my opinion. Right now, as we can see, XRP is chilling at its support level and basically coming into this coil here over the next few months. We'll see what happens next. I think Bitcoin's going to be looking quite bullish over the next few months. That's probably going to lead XRP to the upside as well. So